winds that most of us experienced on Friday and this morning are nothing compared to what they had on the summit of Mount Washington on Friday. Some of the gusts reached speeds of 138 miles per hour. The gusts were so strong. This is how people had to get around up there. It looks like they're on sleds. They're not. This is what the researchers had to do to take readings. And going back the other way, let's see it, was not much better. Those researchers had to lie down on their stomachs and crawl so they didn't get knocked over.
Being outside in those winds, it's pretty exhausting. Just, going outside to do our observations, we're having to work really hard and go outside every single hour no matter the weather conditions. So pretty exhausting up here on the summit today, but exciting nevertheless.
No kidding. People working at the Mount Washington Observatory are no strangers to these types of gusts. Summit gusts have exceeded 100 miles per hour every 3 days in the winter.